It's Adam here. In this video, we're going to be installing the Puig windscreen on the Husqvarna 701 thing here. I think it requires some drilling. And so first off, because I'm going to be installing the moto-minded LED kit, I'm going to take this headlight out of the housing. And you'll see here, you've got two T20s up top, and then you've got one T20 on the bottom. And this one on the bottom looks like it's actually can be used for adjusting the height of the headlight. But make a note where this is, take it out. It's just gonna make it a little easier to do this. If you're not gonna be doing the headlight, you might as well just leave it in there. It doesn't hurt anything to keep it in there. It just makes it a little bit heavier, 12 ounces versus 6. All right, guys, let's get started. I'll be lazy and just grab my, okay, that's right. Yep. I always recommend that you guys put your screws back where you found them, and then just put your screws right back in here. I don't have the windscreen out of the back yet because I want to keep it nice and clean, but here's the instructions. So you're going to need a number 3 Allen, a T20, T30, and a drill. There's your template. So basically what they're saying to do is to get your drill out, and you're going to stick the, we know that, take all that out, but basically stick the template on first, and you're going to pre-drill to the template, then you'll put those fasteners through, and then after that you can mount the windscreen up and then reassemble. So it is a drill through. You just be careful. If you follow the template, which they include here, it's actually a stick-on. So we're going to clean this area, the surface up a little bit, and then we're going to drill the template right, put the template right there and stick it on, and then you just drill right into the 4 holes that they show you here. Let's get started. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone through. The guide is still in place. After I did the drilling, I took some clips and I just sort of tore away at some of the excess, and then I took 100 grit sandpaper, just sort of sandpapered the inside out. I'm going to clip the outside a little bit more, and then we're ready to insert the plugs. Got them through. I had one screw up right there. Not a big deal. So the way these work, if you haven't used them before, is as you screw into them, as there's pressure on the back of these, they actually expand and bubble out. So they'll actually kind of fill in the whole space. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fix the windscreen. Well, first take some glass cleaner, clean this off. Nothing with vinegar in it or ammonia, whatever is to nothing is unsafe for plastics. And then once that's done, we'll put the screen on, and then we have these caps that are over here that we'll basically just start laying them in. Let's get started. Okay, there's our windscreen. Make sure everything, well, hopefully it all lines up. One can hope, right? And let's go ahead and get these guys. And then they are a 3 mil hex, so I'm just gonna thread them a couple of times, make sure everything lines up. Man, that would be a real bummer if it didn't fit. I would say they are almost perfect. Okay, so now we've got that started. As you screw in, these are all going to bubble out. You see that one's already started, and let's get to it. There you go. So if you look at this closely, I have a little bit of overlap on each side, which I'm guessing is by design. There's also quite an opening there where it allows it to breathe a bit. And given the angle, I don't think it goes the other direction, that's for sure. On the back, you can see the overhang a little bit better, but if you look, I'm not gonna get calipers out, but if you measure, I'm pretty close, pretty close, but there's it's not perfect, but it's close enough. No one's gonna look at it unless they actually put their fingers behind here and actually feel. So now you just remove your stickers and reinstall. Well, if you have your headlight out, reinstall your headlight, and you're good to go. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Enjoy your new windscreen, and have a good day.